This is WindSurf. It's supposed to be the best coding IDE currently available. Today I will be trying it out and I will give you my honest opinion of whether it is actually better than Cursor and whether it's actually worth it. It offers a free tier and also paid tiers with a lot of prompts per month. And what is amazing is that right now you can use OpenAI's new reasoning models completely for free with it. So you can literally download and use it completely for free with the best models currently available. Its biggest capability is actually that it's able to handle big code bases. Alternative tools have a major problem with it. And also lately, the OpenAI models work so much better with it than with Cursor or others. So I'm going to get started instantly by creating a transformer web page. So we open up Cascade, which is actually the agentic mode. We select right over here. I will select O4 mini high because this is actually probably the best model you can use right now. And I'm going to paste my whole prompt. I'm going to hit enter and I will wait for the generation. In all honesty guys, I'm super excited. And if you want to use similar high quality prompts such as the one that I use right now, you can hop in my web community, link down below, completely for free, you pay nothing. And when you go to the learn tab, click files and you will find all of the prompts used in this video and also on the other videos, and you can download them to use them for your own use case. Look at this prompt, man, it's so extensive. So it's starting to create the index HTML. Let's see, hopefully it's going to be a good answer. Here we can see the index HTML, we accept it, it's creating the style CSS, and I've got to say up to now I really love the UI. It's so clean, so organized. I really like the fonts and the whole styling, and in all honesty it may sound silly to you, but it's so important to use a code editor that you like, that you enjoy writing in. Now about the speed of the tool, I don't know what to tell you. Really, O4 mini is usually slow because it generates loads of tokens. The greatest thing about this is that you can very easily add MCP servers in here through the chat mode. You can deploy your application, view website previews, you can open up terminals, you can literally do so many things, and it's super easy. So it continues to improve my style CSS. I'm going to hit accept and I can't wait for the result. Okay, so we have the result. It gives us a summarization of what happened. Okay, so let's see what the result is. So this is the master transformer models and it has an FAQ. Okay, the website doesn't look that great and this is probably not a fault from WindSurf. Let's try another prompt, which is one of my favorites, which is creating an endless Flappy Bird style game. So I'm going to give it this prompt in the exact same window. So I want to see if it will make a mistake and mess up the files or mess up the actual solution because it has a different context. As we wait for the generation to happen, I want to let you know that there is a big probability that OpenAI becomes an investor in WindSurf or actually buys the whole company. So if you start to use this tool, get to know all of its capabilities and functionalities, you might in the future have a competitive advantage because you will be probably able to use OpenAI tools at the highest capability with the cheapest prices through WindSurf. So this could absolutely be amazing and it's very worth it to at least try it out right now that it's free. You also get access to these high quality models completely for free, so I only really see opportunity in actually doing this thing, downloading it and checking it out. Again, this is not a sponsorship, I just tell you my honest opinion. In this world of AI, you have to be really strategic and you have to learn the tools, what is available out there, so you can take advantage as soon as possible and to optimize your workflows and your capability. Okay, so it gave us the result. It actually put it on a different file and let's check it out. So I'm going to paste the JavaScript code here and let's see. Oh, it has a sound effect. Okay, so it looks nice. Not the most amazing Flappy Bird experience. Something happened and I died, which I'm not really sure this is correct, but I would say that this is okay. I really like that it has a sound effect and I really like particle system. Okay, so I'm going to ask it to improve the game, remove the sound, and I will use GPT 4.1 for this. So I actually changed the model used in the middle of the chat. I asked it to do loads of changes in the code base and I want to see how fast it is and if it can do the correct changes. But the transition seems quite seamless and GPT 4.1 seems to be a lot faster. So it's analyzing the file that we're using right now. I really love that I don't have to actually drag it and give it context. It automatically detects the file. So let's see the result. I really want to see if it will be able to create a better game. than what we currently have. It changed the code very fast. GPT 4.1 is quite faster than GPT-04 mini, and it says the differences that it made. Okay, so it did quite a lot of changes. Nice. Let's test out the result. Okay, so the click function. Okay, so it's not good. It completely failed the test. It actually made the game look a lot better. It also changed the game to look more like a platformer, but really, you cannot really use this. Let me try it out once again. Yeah, it's not usable. It's completely mistaken. Okay, maybe this is how it's supposed to be. Like, you don't have to fail the first level, otherwise you lose. Okay, no, this is not good. It completely messed up the functionality, but still, I like the result. It did some kind of good changes, but I would say that WindSurf as WindSurf is very good. I'm a little bit disappointed with the result. Like, I expected these models to be quite a lot better, but they don't seem to be that smart. If you have used WindSurf, tell me your opinion down below in the comments and make sure to watch one of these videos.